Niger people don't bring no bonga bishop news story. My name Nandehi. Make a sharply yarn on a to website it just happened. The Middle Belt Forum for inside Nigeria don't come the one federal government say they very wrong and it dey against Nigeria constitution and a big offense if federal government send Nigerian army troops them take go Niger Republic to go fight war without the approval of Nigerian Senate as a talk. Say to send Nigerian army them to go fight for inside Niger Republic so it go worsen Nigeria condition of the economy and the hardship with people that they face for inside Nigeria go increase more. The Russian government on Friday, August 11, 2023, don't come they warn ECOWAS. Say may they not use military action against Niger Republic. Say because it go cause Ogbonge wahala for inside Africa and the Russian foreign minister na yarn this talk. Plenty crowd don't come out to come they do an ugly protest on top the street of Kano as they come carry France flag. Come they yarn. They say because they don't want war for inside Niger Republic. Come condemn ECOWAS and President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will be their chairman. Senator Abdul Nengi don't come out to come here and the sense of senators they say they don't receive 2 million naira for the holiday allowance, but him himself never really receive his own. And he yarn this talk after we Senate President will be Godswill Akpabio don't come yarn on top this video. Say plenty of them will say they go collect more money where they go use they enjoy for this holiday where they go. Honorable Demezu Bernard Abuchi will be member of Anambra State Anyelu constituency. They not allowed to enter inside the state house. Say because in carry keke na people till they enter inside the state house. So as we come provoke on they ask them, say whether they buy motor for where they not go allow to enter. Say now wetin money key now go use they drive they come office.
You give me car. Have you given me a car? Do you know what I have with you? Open this thing down. Okay, start your okay, now what I get
for on top this video, we say that see plenty armor tankers them for on top trailer we won't carry that they go where they go, and they see the armor tankers for inside Warri Delta State. As the man web say they do the video, come the yarn. Say like say Nigeria are ready for war, and now today August 12, 2023, now they see armor tanks there.
This is Warri Delta Supply Road. You can see the tank. Both sides, you can see the tank. Well, these men are not ready for war. They are not ready for war. They're not ready for war. More than 30 tanks. They're not ready for war. Both sides. Both sides, they run for.
Some Nigerians they will say that they stay or they live for inside Niger Republic. Don't they beg federal government? Say me they can't carry their command for inside Niger Republic before ECOWAS go use military action against Niger Republic army coup leaders them. As Nigerians they will say that they live for inside Nigeria, come they tell federal government. Say anybody will say not get Nigerian passport. Say me they not allowed to cross the enter. The United States of American government don't come they want the Niger Republic military coup leaders that will collect power by force for inside Niger Republic. Say they go hold them accountable and responsible if anything happen to the democratic elected president of Niger Republic will be Mohamed Bazoum. Osun State Governor will be Ademola Adeleke don't come shocktalize some of his citizens as the citizens come they happy after they see them for when they celebrate their festival for inside Osun Osogbo festival where they do every year. And yesterday on Friday, August 11, 2023, now joined them for the festival where they do. One lady don't come they cry in pain after we fire burn in shop and all the goods where they for inside the fire burn and finish. As she come here and say the business wey say she done dey build since 6 years now, say fire don't destroy all of them in one day. One repentant Boko Haram terrorist wey fall among the ones wey federal government be trained come send dem go back to their village to live their normal life. They don catch am when he carry plenty things dem wey wan go carry take give other Boko Haram fighters dem wey dey for inside Sambisa forest and dem carry plenty things like cloth, torchlight and other things dem wey he wan deliver take go give dem. The world athletes don come finally come clear the ogbonge Nigerian reigning world 100-meter hurdles champion wey name be Tobi Amusa as dem come add the name among the people dem wey say dem go compete for the 2023 World Athletics Champion for inside Budapest. Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy una day.